chopped onion to medium size. Chopped tomatoes 2. Ginger garlic paste 1 spoon. Turmeric powder 2 spoon. Cumin powder 1 spoon. Red chili powder 1 spoon. Black pepper ½ spoon. Biryani Masala 1/2 spoon. Garam Masala ½ spoon. Salt to taste. Heat oil to tablespoon. Add jeera 1 teaspoon. Add all masala. Add tomatoes and mix. Add onions. Mix and cook for a while. Add all vegetables. Mix and cover it to cook. Add water double to the normal. If using 1 glass of water, then use 2 glasses of water. Let it boil and then add rice.